everyone, it's Susie here. How are you? I really hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, we're doing a bit of a what I eat in a day. Today is the 18th December, which means it is a week until Christmas. And if your household is anything like mine, everywhere you look in my house, gingerbread Oreos, gingerbread cookies, chocolate, hot chocolate, there's just sugar and sweets everywhere. And of course, it's a week until Christmas. I've been embracing all these festive treats, but you can definitely tell in my skin that, wow, the sugar is just coming through. So I'm making this video to share some healthy, wholesome winter meal ideas. This can help inspire you too to maybe cook at home and make something wholesome and healthy. And before we get started with these wholesome food ideas, I am not a nutritionist. This is just some healthy meal ideas. These are things that I like to eat, especially in the wintertime. And of course, if these what I eat in a day videos don't make you feel good, then this is my permission to you to just click off. I hope for the most part that we just enjoy eating lots of yummy food together. We're gonna start off today by drinking some water. In the wintertime, I don't know why, my body gravitates towards hot drinks and I forget to drink water. So if you're watching this, this is your reminder. Make sure that you're drinking enough during the day. If you've been here on the channel before as well, you will know that I start every single morning making a coffee. So I'm not gonna show you that because you'll have seen that like a zillion times before. I always make my coffee with oat milk. I used to be a soya milk type of girl. I moved over to almond milk and now we're using oat milk. Again, I just find this to be a bit more creamy. I'm just loving how my coffee tastes at the moment. And as well, I use the MyProtein Flav drops. These are in vanilla flavour. It's 0 calorie, 0 sugar, adds that vanilla flavour to your coffee, and I put about 3 drops of this in my cup. So now I've drunk my morning coffee, we're going to make breakfast, and this morning I'm making a porridge bowl. I mean, this is not really my time to come on YouTube and tell everyone how to make porridge, but we are going to start off by putting some rolled oats in a bowl. Once your porridge is made, this is when I add some protein powder. I'm going to add this into the bowl and just give it a good stir. And just to help everything like bind together, I always add just a tiny bit of soya milk just to help with that. And by adding protein into your morning breakfast, it's just going to help you keep fuller for longer. If you're someone who's got fitness goals and protein's important to you for your recovery, for muscle building, then this is a great way to get extra protein in. Now I'm going to add in my frozen raspberries. This is just giving more sweet vibes to the breakfast because the protein powder that I added as well is a salted caramel flavour. I just feel like that mixed with like the sharpness of the raspberries, so good. And yes, they are frozen, but I'm obviously mixing this into hot porridge. So in a couple of minutes, they'll be defrosted in there. Just going to add a banana on top as well for some fibre. With all of these recipes that you're going to see today, it's just about making like warm, wholesome recipes and things that you enjoy. I tend to eat the same things every single day as well. I'm very much a creature of habit when it comes to breakfasts. Gonna add some honey. I guess the thing that I've found with like eating healthy is you have to just find the things that give you joy and that you enjoy eating and creating your own little recipes and spins on the things you enjoy. So to me, eating this in the morning, especially with the protein powder in the porridge, it kind of gives it that cakey taste. That feels like a treat. Like breakfast is a sweet treat to me and it's super healthy. So win-win. And the last thing we're going to add into this porridge bowl is peanut butter. This is the bulk one. It is white chocolate and raspberry flavour. Absolutely amazing. Just going to add a teaspoon of this into it. And that is it. That is my porridge bowl. I know it's not anything revolutionary, but this is the breakfast that I eat on my weekday mornings. It's my go-to. It keeps me full, it's got protein in it. It's just a lovely warming winter breakfast. Other breakfast ideas as well that I love to make are scrambled egg on a bagel. I up the protein take with the bagel and I get like the protein bagels by, I think Warburton's is the brand that does that. High in protein and another hot breakfast for the winter. And on the weekends, I love to make protein pancakes. MyProtein do a protein pancake mix. I use that. Or I use the protein pancakes from Aldi and they are so good. I just pop those in the toaster and then top them with blueberries or bananas and a bit of honey and they're amazing. Again, super high in protein and an amazing weekend treat. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'll see you back here for lunch. So this lunchtime, I'm making a high protein rice bowl. So we're going to start off by adding our protein. I'm going to use some prawns here. These are from Aldi. They're already seasoned and marinated. And I'm going to chop up any leftover veg that I've got in the fridge. I feel like making these rice bowls is a really good way to utilise any leftover veg you've got lying around and put it all in the rice. So we're going to add an egg, again, extra protein, and we're going to fry that alongside the vegetables, add the rice, and there you have it. So simple, so easy, and so tasty. When I'm at home during the day, I love making these rice balls because they're super quick, super easy. I can fry it all in one pan and it's giving Fakeaway vibes. It's a really warm, filling, hearty meal. And I also love to make Chipotle style rice balls as well. Taco mix, rice, and all the Mexican vibes with beans and salsa on top, which is really, really good. But if I'm stretched for time and I'm in a rush, this is another idea right here. It's a classic. It's a falafel pita. There's just something about a warm pita bread on a cold day with some hummus and sweet chili sauce. What a combo. So it's 3 o'clock and I've got that snack craving. I'm gonna make some cinnamon apples with some yogurt and some honey on top. I would have put walnuts on top, but I don't have any. But that is my snack of choice for this afternoon. Again, yogurt for the protein, a sweet treat, but just super healthy and very simple to make. All you do is put the apples in a pan. I add a teaspoon of coconut sugar as well. That caramelizes the apples. And then I add a little bit of cinnamon on top. And that is it. You can do this with pears. You could do it with berries. But hot fruit combined with the yogurt, it's definitely a sweet treat for the afternoon. Other things that I like to eat as a snack during the winter, if I'm going down the savoury route, I'll cook some carrots in the air fryer. I'll cover the carrots in paprika and then have those with some hummus, an amazing hot, savoury, healthy snack. And also as well, if you watch my nighttime routine video, you'll know that I'm obsessed at the moment with this trail mix. It's literally popcorn, salted pretzels, and nuts all mixed together. You could even throw some dark chocolate in there if you wanted to, but that is another amazing salty snack. Whilst I eat the snack, I'm gonna sip on one of these. This is a fig flavoured tea with ginger and turmeric in. And whilst the turmeric is supporting the digestion and all of that, I just think that this tastes really, really good and very wintry and warming. Also, I know we're more than halfway through the video, but I feel like I need to apologise as I am today because literally, look at the state of me. I've not even bothered putting any makeup on today. I'm working from home and I'm also about to start a bit of a 2025 reset mission where I'm basically going to be decluttering some of my house. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna sip my tea and eat my little sweet snack, and then it'll be time to think about what we're gonna have for dinner. What is more wholesome and hearty than gnocchi? I am so excited to make this tonight, and who doesn't love potato dumplings? It was a bit of a toss-up between the pesto or the pasta sauce, but we're going to break all the rules and use the pasta sauce, even though that black truffle pesto is amazing. And for our source of protein, I'm going to be using this Isn't Chicken Pieces, a plant-based alternative to chicken. And to bulk up the volume a little bit, I've added some broccoli. A super simple dinner idea that is so good for a cold winter's night. Another wholesome, high protein idea for dinner are these loaded sweet potatoes, and I've just topped these sweet potatoes with chili and black beans for extra protein. And of course, when it comes to dinner, sometimes simple is better. Bacon, some salmon, and some roasted potatoes with some vegetables. Thank you so much for coming along with me today for What I Eat in a Day, high protein winter edition. And if you've got any recipes you'd like to share, please do leave them in the comments below. And until the next video, I will see you next time. Bye guys.